How you doing? Why don't you go ahead and check the jacket, make sure there's no lock picks, keys, hand grenades, trap doors, secret escapes. Go ahead and pull on these chains for me. Everything good?
Yeah.
With false links? And you, Margaret? Everything good? All right. Okay, we have some locks. Check the locks. Okay, great. So hold on to that for just a second, Steve. Go ahead. I want you to lock me up right here as tight as you want to do it. Somebody's going to be walking home tonight. My daughter's sitting in the front row right there trying to torture. Is that tight enough? You like that? Okay, let's go. Let's have you go ahead and hold this jacket. Margaret. All right. Right there. Well, as tight as you want to do it. Margaret, I forgot to tell you I'm left-handed. Whew. All right. Margaret, go ahead and hold that side of the jacket. Steve, hold that side of the jacket. Now I want you both to go ahead and face the audience right there. And, well, let's hold the jacket a little bit back behind you. And, no. We have to hold it back like this so people don't Has anybody ever seen Houdini do something like this? I need you to look right over there. Look right over there. See, wave to your family out there. Wave to your family. Okay, a little bit tight, but I think I can work with this. Ah! How about a drum roll? No, I don't know. Why don't you go ahead and put the jacket on the table there? Can you give my assistant with the key, please? Go ahead and put the jacket over on the table, please.